Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down the foundation. Set Songmaker to a C minor scale, choose a steady tempo around 110-125 BPM, and switch to a 16-step grid so you can play 16th note rhythms. You want a piano-like tone for clarity. Select the closest instrument and enable the metronome to hear timing. Once done, create a 4-bar pattern as your template, placing root and fifth notes first so you hear the harmonic spine before adding melody and rhythm. Now you construct the driving pulse that makes Megalovania feel relentless. Place a repeating low C bass line with octave jumps and short staccato notes to mimic the original's attack. Layer syncopated 16th note patterns over bar 2 and 4 so the groove pushes forward. Add a percussive high click or closed hat on offbeats to carve space in the mix. Make sure to alternate velocity by spacing notes. This creates the illusion of dynamics, even in Chrome Music Lab's simple sampler. Finish by writing the main Megalovania lead in a mid-to-high register, using short staccato notes and repeating motifs with tension-building leaps. Once you have the core phrase, duplicate it and introduce small variations in bars 3-4 to keep the loop interesting. Slightly nudge some notes for a humanized feel, or quantize strictly to 16th if it sounds messy. If something sounds off, check your scale, tempo, and note lengths. Make sure notes don't overlap and reduce density to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.